Hello friends, welcome to 5-Star Study. Today we will read the current affairs from January to June. 1. Who has been appointed as the new chairman and CEO of Railway Board? Answer: Suneet Sharma. 2. Who is India's first COVID-19 vaccine recipient? Answer: Manish Kumar. 3. Who has taken over as the chairman of Steel Authority of India Limited SAIL? Answer: Soma Mandal. 4. Who has won Eminent Engineer Award 2020? Answer: VK Yadav. 5. Who has become India's youngest female pilot? Answer: Aisha Aziz. 6. India's first undersea tunnel will be built in which city? Answer: Mumbai. 7. India's first centralized AC railway terminal has been inaugurated in which city? Answer: Bangalore. 8. Who has been crowned as the winner of Miss India World 2020? Answer: Manasa Varanasi. 9. Who will replace Jeff Bezos as the CEO of Amazon? Answer: Andy Jassy. 10. Who will be the next World Trade Organization WTO Director General? Answer: Nozi Okonjo-Iweala. 11. India's first fire park has been inaugurated in which state? Answer: Orissa. 12. Who has become the new Chief Minister of Uttarakhand? Answer: Tirat Singh Rawat. 13. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Statistician of India CSI? Answer: GP Samanta. 14. Who has won the BBC Indian Sportswoman of the Year Award for 2021? Answer: Koneru Hampi. 15. India's largest floating solar plant will come up in which state? Answer: Telangana. 16. Who has been awarded the Saraswati Samman 2020? Answer: Sharankumar Limbale. 17. Which railway zone has become India's first fully electrified railway zone in the country? Answer: West Central Zone. 18. Who has been elected as the new Chief Justice of India CJI? Answer: Justice N.V. Ramana. 19. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Election Commissioner CEC of India? Answer: Sushil Chandra. 20. Who has taken over the charge as the Chairman of Airport Authority of India? Answer: Sanjeev Kumar. 21. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary? Answer: T.V. Somanathan. 22. Who has been crowned Miss Universe for the year 2020? Answer: Andrea Meza. 23. Who is the winner of the 2021 UNESCO Jalal Mokano World Press Freedom Prize? Answer: Maria Ressa. 24. What is the name of the world's first artificial intelligence ship? Answer: Mayflower 400. 25. Who has been appointed as the new director of the Central Bureau of Investigation CBI? Answer: Subodh Kumar Jaiswal. 26. Who has taken charge as the new chairman of the National Human Rights Commission? Answer: Arun Kumar Mishra. 27. Which city will soon become India's first electric vehicle city? Answer: Kevadia in Gujarat. 28. Who has been awarded with the WHO Director General Special Recognition Award? Answer: Harsh Vardhan. 29. Which state UT's village has become India's first to achieve 100% vaccination of adults? Answer: Ven village in Jammu and Kashmir. 30. Which nation's railways is working to become the world's largest green railway network? Answer: India. 31. Which nation is hosting the G7 summit? Answer: UK. 32. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of Microsoft? Answer: Satya Nadella. 33. Which country is scheduled to host the 2023 ODI Cricket World Cup? Answer: India. 34. Which state is at the top position in India's COVID-19 vaccination drive? Answer: Maharashtra. 35. Who has been appointed as the new president of Confederation of Indian Industry for 2021 to 2022? Answer: T.V. Narendran. 36. Who is the author of the book titled Languages of Truth, Essays 2003 to 2020? Answer: Salman Rushdie. 37. Who has been roped in as the new chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes CBDT? Answer: Jagannath Mohapatra. 38. Who has been appointed as the chairman of World Health Organization Executive Board? Answer: Dr. Patrick Amoth. 39. Who is the author of the book, Stargazing, The Players in My Life? Answer, Ravi Shastri. 40. Who has been appointed as the first chairman for the newly formed Digital Media Content Regulatory Council DMCRC? Answer, Vikramjit Sen. 41. Who is the author of the book, Savarkar, A Contested Legacy 1924 to 1966? Answer, Vikram Sampath. 42. As per the Center for World University Rankings 2021 to 2022, which institute is the best in India? Answer, IIM Ahmedabad. 43. Who has been appointed as the director at the Center for Cellular and Molecular Biology, CCMB? Answer, Dr. Vinay K. Nandikuri. 44. Which state has retained the top rank in Niti Aayog's SDG India Index 2020 to 2021? Answer, Kerala. 45. Which state has been adjudged as the worst performer in Niti Aayog's SDG Sustainable Development Goals Index 2020 to 2021? Answer, Bihar. 46. When is World Environment Day being observed? Answer, the 5th of June. 47. What is the theme of World Environment Day 2021? Answer, Ecosystem Restoration. 48. India ranked at which spot on the 17 Sustainable Development Goals Report 2021? Answer, 117th. 49. Which state topped the Anemia Mukt Bharat Index 2020 to 2021? Answer, Madhya Pradesh. 50. Who has been elected as the President of the Association of National Exchanges Members of India? Answer, K.K. Maheshwari. 51. Who has been elected as President of the 76th United Nations General Assembly 2021? Answer, Abdullah Shahid. 52. Which institution in India has topped among the Indian universities in the Times Higher Education Asia University Rankings 2021? Answer, IISc Bangalore. 53. Who has been appointed as the new Election Commissioner? Answer, Anup Chandra Pandey. 54. Which university has topped the Times Higher Education Asia University Rankings 2021 globally? Answer, Singhua University. 55. Who has been named as the new chairman of Oil Regulator Petroleum and Natural Gas Regulatory Board? Answer, Sanjeev Nandan Sahai. 56. Which university has topped the QS World University Rankings 2022? Answer, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. 57. Who has assumed charge as the Director General Naval Operations? Answer, Rajesh Pendarkar. 58. Which city has declared as the most livable city in the world in the 2021 EIU Global Livability Ranking? Answer, Auckland. 59. The 31st India-Thailand Coordinated Patrol CORPAT in June 2021 is being held in which place? Answer, Andaman Sea. 60. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of LIC? Answer, Mr. Kumar. 61. Who has been reappointed as the chairman of ICICI Bank? Answer, Girish Chandra Chaturvedi. 62. Which city is proposed to host the 2032 Olympic Games? Answer, Brisbane. 63. What is the theme of the G7 Summit 2021? Answer, Build Back Better. 64. Which bank has topped the Forbes World's Best Banks 2021 in India? Answer, DBS Bank. 65. What is India's rank in the Global Skill Report 2021? Answer, 67. 66. Who is the author of the book titled Home in the World? Answer, Amartya Sen. 67. Which female player has recently won the women's singles title in French Open Tennis 2021? Answer, Barbora Krejcikova. 68. Who has been elected as new Prime Minister of Israel? Answer, Naftali Bennett. 69. Which Indian origin journalist won Pulitzer Prize 2021 for exposing China's secret detention camps? Answer, Megha Rajagopalan. 70. Which country has topped the World Giving Index 2021? Answer, Indonesia. 71. What is the rank of India in the World Giving Index 2021 by the Charities Aid Foundation? Answer, 14th. 72. Believe What Life Taught Me is the autobiography of which Indian player? Answer. Suresh Rana. 73. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Cellular Operators Association of India for 2021 to 22? Answer. Ajit Puri. 74. Which nation has topped the World Competitiveness Index 2021? Answer. Switzerland. India ranked 43rd. 75. Which country has topped the Global Peace Index 2021? Answer. Iceland. India ranked 135th. 76. Who has been elected as Iran's 8th president? Answer. Ibrahim Raisi. 77. What is the theme of the 2021 International Yoga Day celebrated annually on the 21st of June? Answer. Yoga for Well-being. 78. Who is the author of the book titled The Nutmeg's Curse: Parables for a Planet in Crisis? Answer. Amitav Ghosh. 79. When the International Olympic Day is celebrated? Answer. The 23rd of June. 80. Which Indian American chemist has been awarded European Inventor Award 2021? Answer. Sumita Mitra. 81. Which country's Lauren Hubbard will be the first transgender to participate in the Olympics? Answer. New Zealand. 82. Who has been named the captain of the Indian men's hockey team for the Tokyo Olympics? Answer. Manpreet Singh. 83. Who has topped the inaugural Edelweiss Hurun Philanthropists of the Century list? Answer. Jamsetji Tata. 84. How many Padma Awards are given in 2021? Answer. 119. 85. Which state will host the 51st International Film Festival of India? Answer. Goa. 86. The Union Budget 2021 will be presented on which date? Answer. February 1, 2021. 87. Who has become the first women umpire to officiate men's test match? Answer. Claire Polisk. 88. Who has recently become the richest person in the world? Answer. Elon Musk. 89. In which state first rice ATM has to be set up? Answer. Karnataka in Bengaluru. 90. Who has been honored with Raja Mansingh Tomar Award 2020 for Hindustani classical music? Answer. Abhinav Kala Parishad Bhopal. 91.21 years old Reshma Mariam Roy of which state has become the youngest Panchayat president? Answer. Kerala. 92. Who has recently become the richest person in Asia replacing Mukesh Ambani? Answer. Chinese billionaire Zhong Shanshan. 93. Who has been awarded the highest civilian honor knighthood 2020 by the Queen Elizabeth? Answer. Lewis Hamilton. 94. Which state will host the 14th Global Healthcare Summit in 2021? Answer. Andhra Pradesh Vishakhapatnam. 95. Government has extended the tenure of K. Sivan as the chairman of which organization for a period of 1 year up to January 2022? Answer. Indian Space Research Organization ISRO. 96. Who has become India's 67th chess grandmaster? Answer. Leon Mendonca. 97. Which state has created a special memorial to honor the COVID warriors? Answer. Orissa. 98. The 4th Global Ayurveda Festival 2021 will be held in which state? Answer. Kerala. 99. The first wooden satellite of the world will be launched by which country in 2023? Answer. Japan. 100. Who has been elected as the president of the All India Chess Federation? Answer. Sanjay Kapoor. 101. Who was appointed as the new Chief Justice (CJ) of the Common High Court for Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh? Answer. Pankaj Mithal. 102. World's largest floating solar energy project in India is going to be constructed on Omkareshwar Dam. This dam is located on which river? Answer. Narmada. 103. The Union Budget 2021 will be presented by? Answer. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman. 104. Which state government will initiate the world's largest floating solar project by 2023? Answer. Madhya Pradesh. 105. Who has made the largest charitable donation of 2020? Answer. Jeff Bezos. 106. Who has been elected as the President of Central Republic of Africa? Answer. Faustin Tuadera. 107. Arup Kumar Goswami has recently sworn in as the Chief Justice of which High Court? Answer. Andhra Pradesh. 108. Which district has topped the list of aspirational districts ranked by the Niti Aayog? Answer. Ramgarh in Jharkhand. 109. The Justice R. S. Chauhan sworn in as the Chief Justice of which High Court? Answer. Uttarakhand. 110. What was the theme of the 16th Pravasi Bharatiya Divas observed on the 9th of January? Answer. Contributing to Atma Nirbhar Bharat. 111. Who has taken over as the MD and CEO of India Post Payment Bank? Answer. J. Venkatramu. 112. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Justice of the Guwahati High Court? Answer. Sudhanshu Dhulia. 113. Which state has started the free bus service for women and senior citizens under the Brahman Sarathi scheme? Answer. Assam. 114. India ranked at which place in the Digital Evolution Scorecard 2020? Answer. 4th. 115. Which country will be the focus country in the 51st International Film Festival of India? Answer. Bangladesh. 116. Which state has bagged the first prize in the State Designated Agencies category for its effective energy conservation? Answer. Kerala. 117. Which country has organized the 4th One Planet Summit 2021 with the UN and World Bank? Answer. France. 118. What is the theme of the 4th One Planet Summit 2021? Answer. Let's act together for nature. 119. Which country has topped in the most powerful passport in the world? Answer. Japan. Indian passport ranked 85th. 120. What was the theme of National Youth Festival 2021? Answer. 121. Who has been appointed as the head of Committee for Administration of COVID-19 Vaccine? Answer. R. S. Sharma. 122. The Jal Jeevan Mission is a flagship program of the Union Government which aims to provide tap water connection to every rural household by which year? Answer. 2024. 123. Which nation's military contingent took part in India's Republic Day Parade 2021? Answer. Bangladesh. 124. Which AIIMS campus has received the Kayakalp Award for the third time? Answer. AIIMS Bhubaneswar. 125. In which state India has discovered its maiden lithium reserves? Answer. Karnataka. 126. Which state has won the Best State Award at the 2 ND edition of the Janagraha City Governance Awards? Answer. Orissa. 127. Who has become the new CEO of Intel Company? Answer. Pat Gelsinger. 128. Which city has been ranked top in the fastest growing technology center in the world? Answer. Bengaluru. 129. Which Indian was awarded the Most Excellent Order of the British Empire Award for her contribution to the success and development of South Asian dance? Answer. Chitra Sundaram. 130. India's first driverless metro car was launched by Defence Minister Rajnath Singh in which city? Answer. Bengaluru. 131. Who has been conferred with the Indian Personality of the Year award at International Film Festival of India? Answer. Biswajit Chatterjee. 132. Who will become the first woman fighter pilot to take part in the Republic Day Parade? Answer. Bhavana Kant. 133. Which ministry has got the SKOCH Challenger Award 2021 for transparency in governance? Answer. The Ministry of Panchayati Raj. 134. Which ministry has bagged the SKOCH Challenger Award 2021 for e-governance? Answer. Ministry of Tribal Affairs. 135. Who has been honored with the Sahitya Gaurav Samman 2021 by the Hindi Writers Guild of Canada? Answer. Ramesh Pokhriyal. 136. Air Force exercise, Desert Night between India and France has started in which city? Answer. Jodhpur. 137. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director of LIC? Answer. Siddhartha Mahanti. 138. The first ever labor movement museum is said to be established in which city of India? Answer: Alappuzha in Kerala. 139. Who is the author of the book titled Manohar Parrikar of the Record? Answer: Senior journalist Vaman Subha Prabhu. 140. Indian Railway has renamed Howrah Kalka Mail by which name? Answer: Netaji Express. 141. After whom the Maharashtra government has renamed Nagpur's Govada International Zoo? Answer: Balasaheb Thackeray Zoological Park. 142. The birth anniversary of which freedom fighter will now be celebrated as the Parakram Divas? Answer: Subhash Chandra Bose. 143. What is the rank of India in the Global Firepower Nation Index 2021? Answer: 4th. 144. Which UT has emerged on top in the NITI Aayog's India Innovation Index 2021? Answer: Delhi. 145. In major states category, which state has topped the India Innovation Index 2021 released by NITI Aayog? Answer: Karnataka. 146. Who has been awarded with the Nelson Mandela World Humanitarian Award 2021? Answer: Ravi Gaikwad. 147. India's longest road arch bridge, Waru Bridge, has been launched in which state? Answer: Meghalaya. 148. What is the India's rank in the 2020 Global Internet Speed Test Index released by Ookla? Answer: 129th. 149. Who has been named Business Standard Banker of the Year for 2019 to 2020? Answer: Shyam Srinivasan. 150. Which state's police academy has become the best police academy for the year 2019 to 2020? Answer: Rajasthan. 151. What is the theme of the World Economic Forum 2021? Answer: The Great Reset. 152. The National Girl Child Day is celebrated on which date? Answer: the 24th of January. 153. Which IPS officer has received the Bharat Gaurav Award 2020? Answer: Karuna Sagar. 154. India observed the National Voters' Day annually on which date? Answer: the 25th of January. 155. What is the theme of the National Voters' Day 2021? Answer: Making our voters empowered, vigilant, safe and informed. 156. Who has won the Subhash Chandra Bose AAPDA Prabandhan Puraskar 2021 in the field of disaster management? Answer: Rajendra Bhandari. 157. The 2021 Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar has been conferred to how many students? Answer: 32. 158. The world's longest railway platform will be inaugurated in March 2021. What is the length of the platform? Answer: 1505 meters. Hubble Railway Junction in Karnataka. 159. Who has been awarded with the Padma Vibhushan 2021 in Public Affairs category? Answer: Shinzo Abe, former Prime Minister of Japan. 160. Which institution has received the Subhash Chandra Bose AAPDA Prabandhan Puraskar 2021? Answer: Sustainable Environment and Ecological Development Society (SEEDS). 161. Which film has won the award for Best Film in the 51st International Film Festival of India in Goa? Answer: Into the Darkness. 162. Which telecom company has become the first one in India to demonstrate the operation of the 5G network? Answer: Airtel. 163. What is the rank of India in the Global Climate Risk Index 2021? Answer: 7. 164. Which state has won the National Award for Best Electoral Practices 2020? Answer: Meghalaya. 165. Which state tableau was adjudged the best at the Republic Day Parade 2021? Answer: Uttar Pradesh. 166. Election Commission of India has rolled out which type of digital voter ID cards? Answer: EPIC, electronic version of the voter's photo identity card. 167. Which airport has won the Voice of the Customer award? Answer: Bangalore. 168. Who has won the prestigious Wildlife Photographer of the Year People's Choice Award for 2021? Answer: Robert Irwin. 169. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of the Ayushman Bharat? Answer: R.S. Sharma. 170. Who has been sworn in as the new Prime Minister of Italy? Answer: Mario Draghi. 171. Who has been named as the leader of opposition in the Rajya Sabha? Answer: Mallikarjun Kharge. 172. Which Indian city has received the recognition of the 2023 City of World? Answer: Hyderabad. 173. Which country topped the Coronavirus Performance Index released by Lowy Institute? Answer: New Zealand. 174. Which country has secured the first position in the Corruption Perception Index (CPI) 2020? Answer: New Zealand and Denmark. 175. What is the rank of India in the Corruption Perception Index (CPI) 2020? Answer: 86. 176. Which state has topped in India with 79.4% COVID-19 vaccination? Answer: Bihar. 177. Which state ranked highest in the Indian Justice Report 2020? Answer: Maharashtra. Uttar Pradesh ranked last. 178. Which state has ranked first among the small states on the India Justice Report 2020? Answer: Tripura. 179. The Amrut Mahotsav is the celebration of which event? Answer: India's 75th year of independence. 180. Who has been sworn in as the new president of the Asian Cricket Council? Answer: Jay Shah. 181. Which team has won the Syed Mushtaq Ali T20 Trophy 2021? Answer: Tamil Nadu. 182. India's first amputee clinic is launched in which city? Answer: Chandigarh. 183. Who is the newly elected president of the Boxing Federation of India BFI? Answer: Ajay Singh. 184. The Oxford Languages has named which word as the Hindi Word of the Year 2020? Answer: Atmanirbharta. 185. World Cancer Day is observed every year on which date? Answer: the 4th of February. 186. Who has become the new acting chief of NASA? Answer: Bhavya Lal. 187. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the National Safety Council NSC? Answer: S.N. Subramanian. 188. Which organization will launch the first civilian orbital spaceflight by the end of 2021? Answer: SpaceX. 189. India has ranked at which place in Democracy Index 2020? Answer: 53rd. 190. Which union territory has become the first UT to be corona-free? Answer: Andaman and Nicobar Islands. 191. The Indian government has recently set a target of 100% electrification of broad gauge routes to be completed by which year? Answer: 2023. 192. Who has been ranked first in India's most valued celebrity list released by Duff and Phelps? Answer: Virat Kohli. 193. Which is the first state to implement the paperless cabinet? Answer: Himachal Pradesh. 194. Who has been appointed to the newly reconstituted National Security Advisory Board NSAB? Answer: Sridhar Vembu. 195. Which district has topped the list of aspirational districts 2020 recently released by Niti Aayog? Answer: Shravasti in Uttar Pradesh. 196. What is India's rank in the Innovation Index 2021? Answer: 50. 197. Where is India's first thunderstorm research test bed planned to be established? Answer: Balasore. 198. Who has received the Zayed Award for Human Fraternity in 2021? Answer: Antonio Guterres and Latifa Ibn Zitan. 199. Which country is set to build the world's largest wind power plant? Answer: South Korea. 200. Where has the 2021 International Children's Film Festival been held? Answer: Bangladesh. 201. Which film has won the Best International Feature Film Award at the 2021 International Children's Film Festival? Answer: Jackie and Oop Jane. 202. Which country has participated with India in the 16th edition of Joint Military Exercise Yuddhabhyas 2020? Answer: USA. 203. Which country is poised to become the second country in the world after the United States to land successfully on Mars? Answer: China. 204. India's first ever geothermal power project will be implemented in which state? Answer: Ladakh. 205. Who has been awarded Allan Border Medal for the period 2020 to 2021? Answer: Steve Smith. 206. Who has won the inaugural ICC Player of the Month Award 2021? Answer: Rishabh Pant. 207. With Srivilliputur Megamalai Tiger Reserve set up as the fifth tiger reserve of Tamil Nadu, how many tiger reserves are there in India? Answer: 51. 208. What is the theme of the World Sustainable Development Summit 2021? Answer: Redefining a common future, safe and secure environment for all. 209. Who has been appointed as the Chief Financial Officer of India's largest airline, Indigo? Answer: Jiten Chopra. 210. Who has launched the book titled Rashtra Pratam 82 Varsho Ki Swarin Gatha? Answer: Amit Shah. 211. Which day of the year is celebrated as World Radio Day globally? Answer: February 13th. 212. What is the theme of World Radio Day 2021? Answer: New World, New Radio. 213. The National Women's Day is observed on which date in India? Answer: the 13th of February. 214. The National Women's Day of India is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of which female? Answer: Sarojini Naidu. 215. Which state has announced to construct a COVID-19 Warrior Memorial for COVID-19 warriors? Answer: Orissa. 216. Who has inaugurated India's first CNG tractor? Answer: Nitin Gadkari. 217. Who has been named as the new MD and CEO of Tata Motors Limited? Answer: Mark Lastosella. 218. Who is the author of the book titled Unfinished, a Memoir? Answer: Priyanka Chopra Jonas. 219. Upendra Prasad Singh has been appointed as the Secretary of which ministry? Answer: Ministry of Textiles. 220. Who is said to be the next Director General of the International Solar Alliance? Answer: Ajay Mathur. 221. The 11th Rashtriya Sanskriti Mahotsav 2021 has been organized in which state by the Government of India? Answer: West Bengal. 222. Who has been elected as a prosecutor at the International Criminal Court? Answer: Britain's Karim Khan. 223. Who has been appointed as the Lieutenant Governor of Puducherry? Answer: Tamilisai Soundararajan. 224. Which city's police has received the Best Marching Contingent Trophy 2021? Answer: Delhi. 225. Who has won the Sanctuary Lifetime Service Award 2020? Answer: Theodore Bhaskaran. 226. The first ever Digital University of India has been inaugurated in which state? Answer: Kerala at Mangalapuram. 227. Hyderabad's blind, Jyotsna Fania, has become the youngest woman to do a PhD. At which age? Answer: 25 years. 228. Which brand has been roped in as the title sponsors of the Indian Premier League for the 2021 edition? Answer: Vivo. 229. Who has been honored with the SKOCH Chief Minister of the Year Award 2021? Answer: Yes Jagan Mohan Reddy. 230. The book titled Stories I Must Tell, The Emotional Journey of an Actor, is a memoir of which actor? Answer: Kabir Bedi. 231. India's largest hockey stadium in Rourkela will be named after which freedom fighter? Answer: Birsa Munda. 232. Which country is hosting the COVID-19 Management Experience, Good Practice, and Way Forward conclave with 9 countries? Answer: India. 233. Which telecom company has become the first one in India to demonstrate the 5G network? Answer: Airtel. 234. The World Day of Social Justice is observed every year on which day? Answer: the 20th of February. Theme: a call for social justice in the digital economy. 235. Who has lifted the Australian Open 2021 tennis title? Answer: Novak Djokovic. 236. Who is the first Indian to be elected as the chairperson of the United Nations Advisory Committee of the Human Rights Council? Answer: Ajay Malhotra. 237. Who has become the Principal Director General of All India Radio News? Answer: Venudhar Reddy. 238. Which organization has received the Asia Environmental Enforcement Award 2020? Answer: the Wildlife Crime Control Bureau, WCCB. 239. Which player has bagged the women's singles title of the Australian Open 2021? Answer: Naomi Osaka. 240. Who has clinched the women's singles title at the 82nd Senior National Table Tennis Championship? Answer: Manika Batra. 241. The Atal Paryavaran Bhavan has been inaugurated at which place by the Union Minister Prakash Javadekar? Answer: Lakshadweep. 242. Vice President M. Venkaiah Naidu has released a book titled Maverick Messiah. The book is a political biography of which politician? Answer: N.T. Rama Rao, former Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. 243. Which metro has become the first metro to use UV rays to sanitize train coaches? Answer: Lucknow Metro. 244. Who has won the Best Actor award at the Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival 2021? Answer: Akshay Kumar. 245. Who has won the Vyas Samman 2020? Answer: Sharad Pagare. 246. Who has become the youngest woman to row solo across an ocean? Answer: Jasmine Harrison of England. 247. Who has been appointed as the Managing Director General of the Asian Development Bank, ADB? Answer: Wuchong 248. Hoshangabad city in Madhya Pradesh is planned to be renamed as which name? Answer: Narmadapuram. 249. Which film has won the Best International Feature Film Award at the 2021 Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival Awards? Answer: Parasite. 250. Which film has won the Best Film Award at the Dadasaheb Phalke International Film Festival 2021? Answer: Tanhaji, the Unsung Warrior. 251. Which country was the largest trading partner of India in the year 2020? Answer: China. 252. The world's largest cricket stadium has been inaugurated in which city of India? Answer: Ahmedabad Narendra Modi Stadium. 253. The Uttar Pradesh government has planned to develop which airport as Asia's biggest airport? Answer: Jewar Airport. 254. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the National Commission for Scheduled Castes? Answer: Vijay Simpla. 255. The central government has aimed to eliminate which disease by 2025? Answer: Tuberculosis. 256. Who will be the new Director General of Military Operations of the Indian Army? Answer: B.S. Raju. 257. Who has been appointed as the President of the Table Tennis Federation of India? Answer: Dushyant Chautala. 258. The Khelo India University Games KIUG 2021 will be hosted by which state? Answer: Karnataka. 259. Who has been appointed as the new Director General DG of the National Security Guard NSG? Answer: M.A. Ganpati. 260. The upcoming 2021 G20 summit is scheduled to take place in? Answer: Rome. 261. Who is the author of a book titled The Little Book of Encouragement? Answer. Dalai Lama. 262. Who has been appointed as the Revenue Secretary of India? Answer. Tarun Bajaj. 263. Who has been appointed as the CEO of the Unique Identification Authority of India UIDAI? Answer. Saurabh Garg. 264. Who has been named the Year Entrepreneur of the Year 2020? Answer. Harsh Mariwala. 265. Which is going to be the state with maximum international airports? Answer. Kerala. 266. Asia's largest tulip garden has been opened in which state? UT. Answer. Jammu and Kashmir. 267. Who has been sworn in as the new chairman of Food Corporation of India? Answer. Atish Chandra. 268. Which city will host the 22nd Commonwealth Table Tennis Championship 2021? Answer. Panchkula, in Haryana. 269. Over which river will be inaugurated the world's highest railway bridge? Answer. Chenab. 270. Asia's biggest cattle park has inaugurated in which Indian state? Answer. Tamil Nadu. 271. Which state has been ranked first in the Gross State Domestic Product List 2019 to 2020? Answer. Maharashtra. 272. Who has been appointed as the Director General (DG) of the Central Reserve Police Force (CRPF? Answer. Kuljip Singh. 273. Which actor has won the Best Performance by an Actor Male in a Motion Picture Drama award at the 78th Golden Globe Awards 2021? Answer. Chadwick Boseman. 274. Who has been ranked as the top billionaire in the Hurun Global Rich List 2021? Answer. Elon Musk. 275. India's first machine tool park will be opened in which state? Answer. Karnataka. 276. Which university has topped the QS World University Rankings 2021? Answer. Massachusetts Institute of Technology MIT, United States. 277. Which Indian university has emerged as the best institution in the QS World University Rankings 2021? Answer. IIT Bombay. 278. Which city has emerged as the top city in the Ease of Living Index 2020 in the Million Plus category? Answer. Bengaluru. 279. Which city has emerged as the top city in the Ease of Living Index 2020 in the Less Than Million category? Answer. Shimla. 280. Which municipality has ranked first in the Less Than a Million category at Municipal Performance Index 2020? Answer. Delhi. 281. India will be observing the 75th year of independence in which year? Answer. 2022. 282. How many scholars have been awarded the Indian Science Research Fellowship ISRF 2021? Answer. 40. 283. What is the theme of International Women's Day 2021 celebrated annually on March 8? Answer. Women in Leadership, Achieving an Equal Future in a COVID-19 World. 284. Who is the author of the book, Dynasty to Democracy, The Untold Story of Smriti Irani's Triumph? Answer. Anant Vijay. 285. India's first forest healing center has been inaugurated in which state? Answer. Uttarakhand. 286. The newly inaugurated Matri Setu bridge between India and Bangladesh has been established over which river? Answer. Feni. 287. Who has been appointed as the new chairman of the Asia Pacific Rural and Agricultural Credit Association APRACA? Answer. G.R. Chintala. 288. Which state has ranked 1? Saint out of 112 most polluted sites in India released by CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board? Answer. Orissa. 9-year-old Manu Bahakar won the BBC's Emerging Player of the Year award. She is associated with which game? Answer. Shooting. 290. What is the rank of India in the Economic Freedom Index 2021 by the Heritage Foundation? Answer. 121. 291. Which country has topped the Economic Freedom Index 2021? Answer, Singapore. 292. The annual Joint Military Exercise, DUSTLIK-2, has kicked off between the Indian Army and which country? Answer, Uzbekistan. 293. What is the name of the world's most powerful supercomputer? Answer, Fugaku. 294. Which day of the year is celebrated as the International Day of Mathematics (IDM) globally? Answer, March 14th. 295. India's first centralized air-conditioned AC railway terminal, Sir M. Vishweshwara Terminal, has been set up in which city? Answer, Bengaluru. 296. Which event has been launched by PM Modi to mark 75 years of India's independence? Answer, Azadi Ka Amrut Mahotsav. 297. Who has become the highest scorer to score 770 goals in football history? Answer, Cristiano Ronaldo. 298. Who has been awarded United Nations 2020 Asia Environmental Enforcement Award? Answer, Susmita Lenka. 299. The National Vaccination Day, National Immunization Day is marked on which day of the year in India? Answer, March 16th. 300. Who has been honored with the International Woman of Courage 2021 award by US Consulate? Answer, Goshalya Shankar. India's first dedicated express cargo terminal has been launched by which international airport? Answer, Kempegowda International Airport in the city of Bengaluru. 302. Which team has won the domestic cricket tournament Vijay Hazare Trophy 2021? Answer, Mumbai. 303. The International Happiness Day is celebrated on which date? Answer, the 20th of March. 304. Who is the author of the biography on former Goa CM Manohar Parrikar, titled, An Extraordinary Life, a biography of Manohar Parrikar? Answer, Sadguru Patil and Mebhushan Nagwenkar. 305. India is going to host the 2021 Asian Boxing Championship in May at which city? Answer, New Delhi. 306. Which is the most polluted city in the world, according to the ICAO 2020 World Air Quality Report? Answer, Xinjiang in China. 307. As per the 2020 ICAO World Air Quality Report, which city has been adjudged as the most polluted capital city in the world? Answer, New Delhi. 308. Lou Ortons, the inventor of the audio cassette tape, has passed away. He was from which country? Answer, Netherlands. 309. Which political writer will be bestowed with the Sahitya Akademi Award 2020? Answer, M. Veerappa Moily. 310. Who has been selected for the International Anti-Corruption Champions Award? Answer, Anjali Bhardwaj. 311. Who has been appointed as the new Director General of the International Solar Alliance (ISA)? Answer, Ajay Mathur. 312. How many persons will be conferred with the Sahitya Akademi Awards 2020? Answer, 20. 313. When is the International Day of Happiness observed? Answer, the 20th of March. 314. Which country has topped the World Happiness Report 2021? Answer, Finland. India has been placed at 139th position. 315. Which country is developing the largest floating solar farm in the world to curb climate change? Answer, Singapore. 316. Who has won the Best Actress Award at the 67th National Film Awards 2021? Answer, Kangana Ranawat. 317. Who has been felicitated with the Gandhi Peace Prize for the years 2020? Answer, Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. 318. Who has assumed charge as the new spokesperson of the Ministry of External Affairs? Answer, Arindam Bagchi. 319. Which film has won the Best Hindi Film Award at the 67th National Film Awards 2021? Answer, Chichore. 320. Who has won the Best Actor Award at the 67th National Awards 2021? Answer, Manoj Bajpayee for Bhonsle Hindi and Dhanush for Asuran Tamil. 321. Who has been reappointed as the new chief of the Research and Analysis Wing RAW? Answer. Samant Kumar Goel. 322. The world's first exclusive ship tunnel is slated to be constructed in which country? Answer. Norway. 323. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the Airports Authority of India I? Answer. Sanjeev Kumar. 324. The India's first electric vehicle lithium battery plant will be set up in which state? Answer. Karnataka. 325. Who has been honored with the 51st Dadasaheb Phalke Award this year? Answer. Rajnikant. 326. Who is the author of the book titled 1232 Kilometers, The Long Journey Home? Answer. Vinod Kapri. 327. What is the rank of India in the World Economic Forum's Global Gender Gap Report 2021? Answer. 140th. 328. Noted Marathi writer Dr. Sharankumar Limbale will receive the Saraswati Samman 2020 for his which book? Answer. Sanatan. 329. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Public Enterprises Selection Board? Answer. Malika Srinivasan. 330. Which city's hotel has achieved world's first LEED Zero Carbon certification? Answer. Bengaluru's ITC Windsor. 331. Which country has topped the Global Gender Gap Report 2021? Answer. Iceland. India ranked 140. 332. Who has received the IUCN's new International Ranger Award? Answer. Mahinder Giri. 333. Which express train has been inaugurated to run between Dhaka in Bangladesh and New Jalpaiguri? Answer. Mithali Express. 334. Which film has won the Best Film Award at the 66th Filmfare Awards for the year 2021? Answer. Thappad. 335. Who has won the Best Actor in a Lead Role Male at 66th Filmfare Awards? Answer. Arfan Khan. 336. Who has won the Best Actor in a Lead Role Female in the 66th Filmfare Awards? Answer. Taapsee Pannu. 337. Who has won the Lifetime Achievement Award in the 66th Filmfare Awards? Answer. Arfan Khan. 338. The Special Forces exercise, Vajra Prahar 2021, has conducted by the Indian Navy with the naval force of which country? Answer. United States. 339. Who is the author of the book, Manohar Parrikar, Brilliant Mind, Simple Life? Answer. Nitin Gokhale. 340. How many kilometers of the route has been achieved by Indian Railways in the electrification of routes during 2020-21? Answer. 6,000 kilometers. 341. Which state has become the first to provide health insurance for all its residents? Answer. Rajasthan. 342. Who has topped the 2021 Forbes Annual World's Billionaires list? Answer. Jeff Bezos. 343. The World Health Day is observed every year on which day? Answer. April 7th. Theme is Building a Fairer, Healthier World for Everyone. 344. Name the winner of the 30th G.D. Birla Award for Scientific Research for the year 2021. Answer. Suman Chakrabarti. 345. RBI projected India's real GDP growth for 2021-22 at how much percent in its monetary policy? Answer. 10.5%. 346. Who is the author of the book titled, My Mother My Hero, released by Venkaiah Naidu? Answer. Dr. Achyuta Samanta. 347. Who has been appointed as the new chairman and managing director of Small Industries Development Bank of India (SIDBI)? Answer. S. Raman. 348. Which country has become the first country to drop out Tokyo Olympics 2021? Answer. North Korea. 349. The World Homeopathy Day is celebrated every year on which day? Answer. April 10th. 350. Who has become the new Director General of the National Council of Applied Economic Research (NCAR)? Answer. Poonam Gupta. 351. Who will take charge as the Director General of the National Anti-Doping Agency? Answer: Siddharth Singh Longjam. 352. What is the rank of India in the 2021 Inclusive Internet Index? Answer: 49. Sweden has topped the Inclusive Internet Index 2021. 353. The 8th edition of the Joint Special Forces exercise, Khanjar, has kicked off. The annual exercise is held between India and which country? Answer: Kyrgyzstan. 354. Which player has been named as the ODI Cricketers of the Decade 2010 to 2019 in the 2021 edition of Wisden Cricketers Almanac? Answer: Virat Kohli. 355. The memoir titled Believe What Life in Cricket Taught Me is set to be released in May 2021. It is based on the life of which Indian cricket player? Answer: Suresh Raina. 356. Who has taken charge as the new Secretary of the Department of Economic Affairs? Answer: Ajay Seth. 357. First mega food park in India in which state? Answer: Gujarat. 358. What is the rank of India in the World Press Freedom Index 2021? Answer: 142. Norway has retained its top spot. 359. Name the former governor of RBI, who has passed away and was often referred to as father of Indian banking reforms. Answer: Madhivalu Narasimham. 360. What was the rank of India in the Henley Passport Index 2021? Answer: 85th. Japan retained its top spot. 361. World's first COVID-19 vaccine for animals developed by which country? Answer: Russia. 362. Arjun Kalyan has become the 68th chess grandmaster of India. He hails from which city? Answer: Chennai. 363. What is the rank of India in the 2021 Global Energy Transition Index (ITI)? Answer: 87. Sweden has topped. 364. What is the World Book Capital for 2021? Answer: Tbilisi in Georgia. 365. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the National Association of Software and Services Companies (NASSCOM) for 2021 to 2022? Answer: Rekha M. Menon. 366. The 19th edition of the Indian and French Navy bilateral exercise, VARUNA 2021, will be conducted in. Answer: the Arabian Sea. 367. Who is the author of the book titled The Living Mountain? Answer: Amitav Ghosh. 368. Which film has won the Best Picture award at the 93rd Academy Awards or Oscars 2021? Answer: Nomadland. 369. Who has been appointed as the new Finance Secretary in place of Ajay Bhushan Pandey? Answer: T.V. Somanathan. 370. Where is the India's first floating LNG storage and regasification unit? Answer: Maharashtra. 371. Who has been elected as the new president of Vietnam? Answer: Nguyen Xuan Phuc. 372. Building a fairer, healthier world for everyone is the theme of which day? Answer: World Health Day 2021. 373. Which is most gender equal country in the world for 12th time in Global Gender Gap Report 2021? Answer: Iceland. 374. Who received the Kalinga Ratna Award for the year 2021? Answer: Andhra Pradesh Governor Biswabhushan Harichandan. 375. India has declared April 14th as a public holiday from 2021 to marks the birth anniversary of which leader? Answer: Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. 376. Who has won the 2021 World Food Prize? Answer: Shakuntala Haraksingh Tilsted. 377. What is the name given to the world's largest aircraft? Answer: Rock. 378. In which state India's one Saint electric tractor has been tested? Answer: Madhya Pradesh. 379. Who has been sworn in National President of FICCI Ladies Organization for 2021 to 2022? Answer: Ujjwala Singhania. 380. Who has been sworn in as the new administrator of NASA? Answer: Bill Nelson. 381. Who has become the World Snooker Champion 2021? Answer: Mark Selby. 382. Who has become Asia's first woman to get the Wild Innovator Award? Answer: Dr. Kriti Karant. 383. The International Workers' Day is observed annually on. Answer: May 1st. 384. Name the MD and CEO of Axis Bank who has been reappointed for 3 more years. Answer: Amitabh Chaudhry. 385. M.K. Stalin sworn in as the Chief Minister of which Indian state? Answer: Tamil Nadu. 386. What is the theme of 2021 World Press Freedom Day celebrated on the 3rd of May? Answer: Information is a public good. 387. Mamata Banerjee sworn in as the Chief Minister of which Indian state? Answer: West Bengal. 388. Who has been appointed as Director of the Indian Institute of Rice Research IIRR? Answer: Raman Meenakshi Sundaram. 389. Who has been appointed as the Chief Minister of Union Territory of Puducherry? Answer: N. Rangasamy. 390. Who has been reappointed as the new Director of the Intelligence Bureau IB? Answer: Arvind Kumar. 391. The World Red Cross Day is observed annually on which day? Answer: the 8th of May. 392. Which is the first country in the world to regulate self-driving cars at slow speed on the motorway? Answer: UK. 393. Who has become the first person from India to win the prestigious Sheikh Zayed Book Award? Answer: Tahira Qutbuddin. 394. Which nation will be the world's fastest growing major economy in 2022 as per the UN? Answer: India. 395. The book titled Elephant in the Womb is a debut book by which Indian celebrity? Answer: Kalki Koechlin. 396. Who has been sworn in as the new Chief Minister of Assam? Answer: Himanta Biswa Sarma. 397. The National Technology Day is observed every year on which day? Answer: the 11th of May. 398. Who has been appointed the new Chairman and Managing Director of Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited? Answer: Arun Kumar Singh. 399. Who has been appointed as the Prime Minister of Nepal in 2021? Answer: KP Sharma Oli. 400. Who has been felicitated with the Sportswoman of the Year at the 2021 Laureus World Sports Awards? Answer: Naomi Osaka. 401. From India, who has achieved top rank in the Fortune's World's 50 Greatest Leaders 2021? Answer: Ada Poonawalla. 402. Who has been appointed as the head coach of the Indian women's national cricket team? Answer: Ramesh Pawar. 403. What is the name of the cyclone that hit Konkan coast and Mumbai, Thane, Raigad, and Palghar on 16th and the 17th of May? Answer: Tukte. 404. Who has created a world record by scaling Mount Everest twice in the shortest span of time within a season? Answer: Mangma Tenji Sherpa. 405. Name the newly elected Chief Executive Officer of the footwear company Bata India. Answer: Gunjan Shah. 406. Who has been appointed the new Executive Director of RBI? Answer: Jose J. Kettur. 407. Which is the world's first country to ban all synthetic cannabinoid substances? Answer: China. 408. The Indian Railways has complete Wi-Fi service at how many railway stations? Answer: 6,000. 409. Which city has topped the state of Indian healthcare Indian cities through the lens of Healthcare Report 2021? Answer: Pune. 410. Name the Indian who has won the Whitley Awards 2021, also known as the Green Oscar. Answer: Y. Nuklu Foam. 411. Who has been named for the International Invincible Gold Medal for 2021? Answer. Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. 412. Who has become the first Indian fighter to become mixed martial arts MMA world champion? Answer. Arjun Singh Bhullar. 413. What is the rank of India in the 57th year Renewable Energy Country Attractiveness Index (RECAI) for 2020? Answer. Third. United States retained its top position. 414. Which day of the year is marked National Anti-Terrorism Day in India? Answer. May 21st. 415. Who has won the prestigious World Choreography Award 2020? Answer. Suresh Mukund. 416. Who has won the 2020 Millennium Technology Prize? Answer. Shankar Balasubramanian and David Kulnaman. 417. The Indian Council of Medical Research has approved which kit for home COVID-19 testing? Answer. Covisylf. 418. Which state stands in first place in establishing health and wellness centers under the Ayushman Bharat program? Answer. Karnataka. 419. The RBI has changed its accounting year from July to June to? Answer. April to March. 420. Who has been appointed as the new president of the International Hockey Federation for 3 years till 2024? Answer. Narinder Batra. 421. Who has been appointed as the new president of the International Narcotics Control Board from India? Answer. Jagjit Pavadia. 422. Who topped Forbes' highest paid athletes list for 2021? Answer. Conor McGregor. 423. Who will take over as new CEO of Amazon? Answer. Andy Jassy. 424. What is the rank of Asia's richest person Mukesh Ambani at Bloomberg Billionaire Index? Answer. 13th. 425. Who is the author of the book, India and Asian Geopolitics, The Past, Present? Answer. Shivshankar Menon. 426. Which Indian state has become the first Indian state to have a digital flood reporting system? Answer. Assam. 427. Which country was the largest source of FDI foreign direct investment in India in financial year 2021? Answer. Singapore. 428. Which state was the top recipient of FDI in India during the fiscal year 2020 to 2021 financial year 2021? Answer. Gujarat. 429. In whose name was the Mohali International Hockey Stadium renamed? Answer. Balbir Singh. 430. Name the female officer who has become the first woman flight test engineer of India. Answer. Ashrita Violti. 431. Name the women mountaineer who has created a record of the world's fastest ascent of Everest by a woman. Answer. Sang Yin Hung. 432. Who has received the prestigious Templeton Prize 2021 in recognition of her life's work on animal intelligence and humanity? Answer. Jane Goodall. 433. Youngest Indian to make debut in all formats. Answers. Shefali Verma. 434. Asia's longest and world's fifth longest high-speed track is? Answers. NATRAX Indore. 435. Which agency will hire world's first physically disabled astronaut? Answers. European Space Agency. 436. Which country will host Men's T20 World Cup? Answers. UAE. Thank you for watching. All the best.